I truly learned things that I had never thought I would learn. I thought I was an empathetic person. I thought I had embodied all these attributes, but you really took me deeper. And so now I can truly see like how I can start applying these in a truly authentic way.
How's everyone doing?
I'm alive.
You guys are amazing. I wanted to say congratulations because I know we have a lot of award winners.
I'm here to serve, to love, to give, and to share. And that is my story, and I'm sticking to it.
And when you practice grace, it builds relationships with your team members, with your stakeholders, with your project sponsor. And the key thing is the practice of empathetic, active listening.
2017, I left the corporate world to focus on my nonprofit. And I have been living the best 6 years of my life. And the highlight is this book. Because from the book, I was able to reach as far as South Africa, Vietnam, India, Nepal. It's just amazing.
And you are strong. You have what it takes to overcome any difficulty in life. We are the choices we made. So choose to live in grace. Choose that I am a miracle.
I am a miracle. I am a miracle. I am a miracle.
I choose to act. I choose to love.
And today I will challenge myself that I will use this phone to practice to myself, and also I want to express love to myself. And I want to talk to myself that, hey girl, you are so beautiful, you're amazing, you're a miracle, and you deserve love.
I started practicing the grace breathing. I've done a lot of breathing. I've been the one that's been telling my friends, just breathe, remember, just breathe. And then when I started actually practicing it, learning to do it properly, it's like, oh my goodness, this is like, okay, this really works. It's a game changer.
The metaphor of you don't have to eat the whole whale at the same time or the elephant at the same time, one piece after the other. Where can I find my place in this world to just reach one person, and then that person reaches a person? So gratitude and courage are the two that have stood out for me.
So I thank you so much for opening up all these different avenues of embracing life and of thinking of life and of practicing life, and especially, in a family unit. Thank you.